I'm walking on sunshine. Whoa. That song came up just now. I said, let me push play. Let me push record. I'll push play later. So I'm back. And I said I wasn't coming back till I got some rest. But I went on and took a shower. I feel great. I'm refreshed. I didn't get no rest, but I am refreshed. But I wanted to get on here because only you can make me happy. I don't know. It was something I got on here to say. Maybe I just got on here for you to see my pretty face. Uh-oh. All I did was wash and go. And I got curls sticking up. This thing is always a mirror. It be mirroring, mirror be mirroring, okay? That's what I do, y'all. I fix it just like that with my fingers. And most time I use a little pick thing that picks it out. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. It don't even matter. Oh God, help me now. Help me. I need somebody help. So, what y'all want to talk about? I'm gonna start doing. I'm going to start. I'm gonna be start doing. No, I'm gonna be start doing. That don't make no sense. I did say I was tired, boss, on the last short, that 59-second short. But I'm going to start doing live videos. And I was going to start a podcast, but I'm like, that's just too much. I don't need to go over to another platform. In fact, I created another, excuse me. Shoot, I guess it's the soap they had up in there. I don't need to be starting a new YouTube channel. I started it, but I'm like, I don't want to, that's too much. I'm going to be me on this channel, not develop another channel and start something else. I'm just going to incorporate it on here. And I'm just going to do it. I'm not even sharing that right now. I didn't get on here for that right there, but I want to do a live, y'all, and leave it in the comments if you want to participate in a chat on the live, like not one-on-one, but in the comment section, and then I talk to y'all, all as a collective, together, as a whole, as my short timers, as far as anything. You want to ask me questions about anything. If you like me, then come on to the live and let's get to know each other. You can ask me whatever you want, whether it's about spirituality, whether it's about I'm not going to pick what I want you to ask me to talk about. I can talk about what I want on my channel, but I want y'all to pick out what you want to know, maybe about me. If you want to know me better, that's cool, because I consider you my tribe now. My short timers, you're my family now. So you may as well accept it. And I know it's going to be some people who are not even feeling what I'm saying. They're not on here for my success. They're not on here for, hopefully that everybody's on here to grow together in unity in this community and just become a better version of yourselves. That's what, to me, life is all about. Period, point blank. That's how I see it. And I don't expect haters. I should expect them, because that's all I've gotten all my whole damn life. Okay. I know I said a mouthful, so I'm going to slow that down just a tad bit. I don't expect to get on here and speak negative about nobody, but I'm letting you know that I get your ish in my comment section. And if I were you, I'd just shut up. Just be quiet. If you have negativity to say, go somewhere else. You know how many billions of channels is on YouTube? And you worried about what I said in 15 seconds? It's just a 15-second short, y'all. And I got these comments Damn, that's all it took was 15 seconds for you to know me and judge me and pick something out that you didn't like? Bless your heart. That part. Bye, Felicia. And bye, Felipe. I got y'all. Because if you're coming here doing that, it's not going to work. You might as well be quiet. And if you're offended because I said shut up, then that means I must have been talking. I must have been saying something true. For you to be offended. I'm not here to offend nobody. But don't offend me in my comment section, okay? And then we good, okay? We good, we gravy, and I love you. I still know how to be humble. I still know how to turn the other cheek. Because that's what I'm about, baby. So anyway, this was just a chit-chat. A chit-chat. Hey, they spelled the same. That's how I spell shit, as C-H-I-T. I don't know, for whatever reason, I don't spell it S-H-I-T. So anyways, yeah, so that live chat is going to be, I don't know. I need to see who wants it. I'm just gonna put it out there. If y'all available and sign on and see it, I'll premiere it. And let everybody know when it's coming up. That way they can tune in. And you can get notified. You push the button and get notified when it's gonna go live, and I'll be on there waiting for y'all to come in. Hopefully y'all can we can chop it up. Yeah. Put me on the chopping block and let's talk. I'm gonna go ahead and get off of here. That's it. I'm about to probably make some more videos on certain topics, but I don't like them to be too long. Unless I'm doing a message, reading like oracle cards or something like that, or some intuitive or inspirational nudge that I got. Wow, the angels are present. Y'all see the angels around? Look around. See if you can see a miracle. See if you can see a sign around your house or wherever you at. I don't care if you're outside. I don't care if you're in a car. Just look around. Not while you're driving, of course, but I promise you, if you're open to receive, they're going to show themselves. Yes, they are. 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, I don't know. I just believe. Be it done unto you as you believe. I'm about to go. See you later. Peace.